In a world where design engineers thirst for knowledge, where engineering problems arise daily, where hands-on opportunities with new design products are few and far between, where the chance to meet others who share our hopes and dreams for engineering revolution are rare, there's SolidWorks World 2015. Explore the latest innovations in SolidWorks design products. Hear exciting news from industry visionaries on future trends in engineering. See SolidWorks roadmap for the future. Network with over 5,000 design and engineering professionals just like you. See and explore over 100 partner products. Attend over 200 technical breakout sessions. SolidWorks World, coming February 2015. Register now.